This is PIAIC LMS. As you logged in, you will see the courses in which you have applied. This show that you have passed the entry test. This show that the fee has been paid and the classes are started. As you click on the Open Portal, the portal will appear. This is the current status of the course. This shows quarter, course, and batch in which you are studying. This is the menu of PIAIC LMS. We are now in Dashboard. The next link in the menu is Profile. After the Payment tab, there is Online Lectures tab. Here you can see your course lectures by clicking on View Course. These are the lectures. As you click on Continue, it will start. It takes time to load. This is your video lecture. Here you can see the name of the topic and video control tools. This link is to go back. If you miss out your live class, here you can find the lecture of that class. Now, we are in the textbook section. Here you can download your course books in PDF format. Exam tab is used to download the safe browser, the browser used for your exam attemptation. The next and last tab in PIAIC LMS is Announcements, in which you found important notifications. Now, we are returned to Dashboard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel G Master Baba.